my name is Dr. Kirby Reutter, and I am the author of Healing with Trauma-Focused DBT. So not surprisingly, this book contains dozens of practical skills that you can learn to manage your trauma symptoms. Of many, one of my favorite skills in the book, and I say favorite because I use it in my own personal life all the time, is the rain dance. So the basic idea behind this skill is a lot of times when we deal with intense emotions, our instinct is to fight them, which only makes them more intense. So instead of fighting our intense emotions, why not learn to dance with them instead? So the RAIN dance is an acronym, and RAIN stands for recognize, allow, inquire, and nurture. And that's how we dance with our emotions.